Welcome to Ranger Bride Production channel. How to make carrot oil at home. Please subscribe, like and share. First of all, you wash your carrots. Wash them very well. Okay? Peel the carrots. Peel it very well. Okay? After peeling, you wash them again. You wash them, wash it very well. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video and share. You dry them because we don't need any water on them. Okay? Okay, I'll be using the bigger side of the grater, so you grate your carrots. Carrot oil moisture dry skin, so it's good for dry skin. Okay, carrot oil is antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-aging. It helps to reduce stretch marks. Carrot oil helps to reduce stretch marks. It's good for the skin. It also has antibacterial properties to help reduce, like remove aches and pimples. So it also, carrot oil also promotes faster hair growth. Wow. It's rich in vitamin A and B and E. Okay. It is also used for skin lightening or to glow your skin. If you want to make your skin to be very soft, if you want to make your skin to be shiny, carrot oil is good. It helps to give a natural radiant complexion. My career oil is olive oil. Okay, you can also use coconut oil. I'll be using olive oil as my carrier oil. As you can see, my olive oil. I'm adding the quantity I need inside my container. Add your carrot inside your container, then you add your olive oil. The olive oil should be above the carrots. Okay, should be above the carrots. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. The olive oil should be above the carrot. The oil should be on top of it. It should be above it. Then you put it inside your water. I personally like this method. Okay, you leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Stir it very well. Okay, stir. The color is changing gradually. Bring it out after 15 to 20 minutes. Allow it to cool before sieving. You can see I brought it out. I allowed it to cool before I sieved it. Please subscribe to this channel. There will be a part 2 of this video. There are another way you can make your carrot oil. Please subscribe to this channel to watch the video. So now, as you can see, your carrot oil is ready. You can do this at your home. Okay, you can add vitamin E capsules to it. If your carrot oil is ready, it helps in skin lightening. It glows the skin, thereby giving you a shiny skin. Add to any container of your choice. You can add vitamin E capsule if you want. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks for watching.